chocolates and roses. My girl, I'm all you need. Yeah, chocolates and roses. Yeah, chocolates and roses. My girl, I'm all you need. Someone to love you from the start and never break your heart. I'm all you need. I'm all you need. They gotta take you by the hand and help you understand. I'm all you need. I'm all you need. A girl that truly love me endlessly is all I need. And you're the perfect one for me. Yeah. And my girl, I'm all you need. Hey, chocolates and roses, yeah. It carries us away. Chocolates and roses, yeah. My girl, I'm on ya. La, 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 la. Sponsored by Billabong, surfer girl, type of girl I like to fill up on. In the water, really wanna rock a boat like a hurricane in a perfect storm, Lord. Ask her where she on the way to. Said I holla Eva. Say she love the North Shore, bikini top, black Scots and their board shorts. Paddle out, paddle out. Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water till I catch a wave? Lord, can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water till I catch a wave? Like the sun, I can feel a warmth, yeah. Heat waves through the winter months, oh. Type of love never expire. Burn slow like a bonfire. Ask her where she on the way to. She said la yeah. Say she love the North Shore, bikini top, black Scots and their board shorts. Paddle out. Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water till I catch a wave? Lord, can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water till I catch a wave? Yeah. When the sun sets and I float your way, I will stay the night just to catch you away. Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water till I catch a wave? Lord, can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water? Can I wait in your water till I catch a wave? Yeah. Pull deeper into nature's arms. Cascade like Ramel falls, oh. Pipeline through her open sea. I'm in love with her currently, yeah. Ask her where she on the way to. She said, what mayor? Say she love the North Shore, bikini top, black Scots and their board shorts. Paddle out, paddle out.
That does not work. You probably really it's a good place to start. And it had like place for it. Some stand clear
Yeah, you know, no, no, no. She give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above. My girl, you know you're good so. Anything you need, let me know. She give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above. My girl, who loves the breeze flow. It's a jive you watch it love grow. And she bless with the beauty. Her fanciness, she's a cutie. Plus just now, she choose me. Nothing she not take the argument closely. She solid as a rock and me choose she. Like when Marissa sing, tempted to touch. Little girl, every time you pass my way. Words can't explain how me love you so much. Me feel it from 19, no long from one day. Me woulda never break your heart now. So no worry yourself, my girl. Me coulda never break your heart, so no worry yourself, my girl. Cause anytime you want it, love, just let me know, baby girl. And I will be there to give it up. Like you know, say yeah. She give me, she give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. You see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above. My girl, you know you're good so. Anything you need, let me know. She give me love, give me love, give me love, give me good love.
Sheldon.
Yahweh Alap. Yahweh, Yahweh, everybody. Yahweh Alap. I just want to hear it one more time. Yahweh Alap. Yahweh. It's good to see everybody. We have a few people who will be coming in as well through the night. Everybody knows there's at least 3 GMMs that are happening this weekend. So a lot of people will be coming in just every now and then. So first I want to say kumul to all of you who are able to make it here tonight. Thank you. We have a lot of people who traveled far away to be here, not only our guest speakers, but we also have other people who are guests that came all the way from California and all the way from Washington. And I want to say tonight that Living Islands is very proud to pull some other CBOs, NGOs, which means nonprofits, together to talk about health and to talk about health within the Marshallese community, which I am still learning about our people's health issues, health needs, and health concerns. And so one of the things we wanted to do was bring together the community that you can go out and also talk to your family members and talk to them about what you learned tonight or what you discussed. But before we do that, I know a lot of people are hungry. We wanted to bless the food, bless this evening, bless this time together. And then I will be able to do some introductions. But before we start, could we please have this blessing? I'm going to have you come up here. Come on. Come on. Thank you, Claritin. Would you kindly bless our event and our food, please?
Okay. Yahweh Olep.ជួយតែចាប់យតាស្ព្រៃគេមីគឺលេយកអានេះខ្ញុំគាត់ឡើងកំមូរលៀកអ៊ីលោចោទេចោទេនេះមិនគឺមិនបានគូបៃពេនរនរៀនរារីទៅចេញចករតលគេមីកំមូរលៀកกันប្រកេនរមិនអ៊ីរតរៃណាមគេថាមិនគឺមួយចោលលតាតាអ៊ីលោយៀនគនូណូគេណាមគេថាមិនRata-rata misirman itu ayana lihat malah lagu raman kan kebawa oleh bila amnet kemana kacil tu kuam kono perayaan kejaraman kebawa oleh kejaraman abolnya kalau jadi perdon kejaraman weagon ienin cepro tu weagon keminat kemana aja weagon ienin doa dalam cisis kebicar modot amen.
Claritin. All right, so I wanted to introduce a few people first. And I wanted to say thank you for your time for being here. But I know that you all feel that the community's needs are important, our health concerns. And no matter if we may disagree along the way, and you guys already know, sometimes us leaders may not agree with each other. But number one thing is that we care for the community no matter what. And, you know, there might be some not so nice coconut wires that go on. But no matter what, please know that we care deeply for each and every one of you. And we are so grateful that you're here to discuss about things that you're seeing in our community and maybe that you're concerned about your family members. I want to learn from that too. And that's why I'm here, to listen and then see what my CBO, my nonprofit, can do to help you and your family. So please, I would like to introduce, and I'll start from the far right. We have tonight with us Jesse from OMCA. Jesse Gasper, thank you. We also have our guest speaker, our honorary guest speaker tonight. This is Dr. Zeldin Ricklin from Arkansas. Him and his lovely wife flew all the way from Arkansas. And please give notice to Miss Linda here, his lovely wife. Thank you. And then we have from Micronesian Islander community, Jackie Leon. Thank you, Jackie, for being here. We also have Maria Namoon. And I know I'm still working on my language here, but Maria, thank you for being here and speaking on behalf. We have another guest speaker that will be talking, and that will be Wilson Jimna. He will be joining us later. But as this goes tonight, it will be a town hall style, meaning you guys can speak Marshallese, okay? Please do. Doctor can speak Marshallese as well, okay? And if you have any questions, and if anybody needs any English interpretations, grab a Marshallese because they will help you understand. And I know my kids, if you have any questions, just ask any of your aunties here, okay? All right. So, what I think would be good is, I have already heard from a few of you that you are hungry this evening. So what I'm going to have us do is quickly get something to eat and then come back to our places, and then we will start the discussion. But first, I would like to say thank you to Jackie, to MIC, for bringing our food over here. She will explain what we have in these trays. And then also behind you, we have some rolls and some chicken pieces. In front of you is a gallon of water with some cups, and if you need more cups, just let Ruby in the back know. She can help you get whatever utensils, napkins, and all you need. So Jackie, could you explain what we have?
Yep, of course. So there's two different types of trays. Both of them are chicken. One is shoyu chicken and the other one is mango chicken. On the top of the tray was either an M for the mango chicken or an S for the shoyu chicken. There's also rice, mac salad, and also Hawaiian style mochi. And the choices are a butter mochi or the ube mochi. There's plenty of food. So I think I ordered for about 200 people. So if we have a ton of leftovers, feel free to take some with you, because it's going to go to waste otherwise.
Yeah, Jackie.
All right. Also, watch out for this camera. It's actually live streaming, not only on Facebook, but we wanted our people back home, your families, and other people across the nation to listen in on this. So you can wave to your family members if you'd like. All right, let's go ahead and have our guest speakers come up and grab some food with your family, and we will get some music going. Thank you, guys.
And she's a blessing from above, my girl, full as the breeze flow. It's a jive to watch it love grow. Yeah, she bless, yes, God bless her with a cute face, but the personality, our charming close. Like assassin, I say, me no want no boring girl. Her sense, yeah, you me love the most. Me woulda make time for her any day. Keep the girl close so the love not stray. Any rumor that rise up, me boss it like my father. Me no watching me say anyway. Give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above, my girl. You know you're good so. Anything you need, let me know. She give me love, give me love, give me love, give me good love. You see it, say me love her so. She's a blessing from above, my girl. Full as the breeze flow. So jive. Me watching love grow. Me woulda never break your heart, no. So no worry yourself, my girl. Me coulda never break your heart, so no worry yourself, my girl. Cause anytime you want the love, just let me know, baby girl. And I will be there to give it up. Cause you know, so yeah, boom, hey. She give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above, my girl, you know you're good so. Anything you need, let me know. She give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above, my girl, cool as the breeze flow. It's a joy for what she love grow. She give me love, give me love, give me love, give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above, my girl, you know you're good so.
Pagod obligated.
Walang permado, kawan ko na
So your whole weekend is like 5 hours at a...
Located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, where hardly nobody knows where it's at. You can never take my heart away from this place I call home, this place I call love and paradise. Mama, my homeland, in my mind, in my heart. Mama, my beautiful island. We are one in God we trust. Every day I think about you. Every day I talk about you. Oh, you're so beautiful. Mama, I miss you. I'm maybe miles away from you, but you know I'll always love you. You're in my mind all day. Number one always. I can't see me without you. And you know it's true. My Delana stay fly. All of mine till we die. In my mind. My beautiful island. We are one in God we trust. Mama, my homeland. In my mind, in my heart. Mama, my beautiful island. We are one in God we trust.
Kirik-kirik. Ilam mo din naman kaya 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 naman. Jim yung ultima kaya marami mo. Alayos pa rin. Alam ka naman yung puto naman mo.
Lawese oina, ekara ekara, naro amu ilainu. Lawese oina, ekara ekara, naro amu ilainu. Sibomu ohe itava otomava, oi sibomu gini bahira. Sibomu ohe itava otomava, oi sibomu gini bahira. Lawese oina hekara hekara, naro amu ilainu. Lawese oina hekara hekara, naro amu ilainu.
Girl, me the one who act man a talking now. Girl, you should don't really love it now. When I'm out to Sabina, nigga on the head, what is on your knee? Me them, my two tongue of them. Bringing here what the guy go coming them. Me my people senses in our film. Sing to the what shot girls on them. Yet to solve it, flow.
Lawese oina oina ekara naro mubuila hindu.
बार-बार चुकी पे चल रहा है
The main thing is making sure you don't
Isang nungundang daw mo ni Aurang odanan daw mo ni Ewa kanan daw mo ni wakatani Rongo yawa na ibiyaw No mungolean Takandina Naveva que ve coato kuna A un bole matequina Isa sombo no gulewa No royani Emosina longu Evoku muleandi Isa nongundang damoni Aurang odanan damoni Bakanan daw mo niya pagkatangi Rongo'y awat may bayaw mungolean dia rawa takkan dina na vivo sakeve ko atukuna aun bole matekina isa sono gulewa no munroani emosina yalongu ebukule andi isa sono gulewa no munroani etangina yalongu ebukule andi
No. No, stay.
What?
Stay.
Steak?
Tabaco, tabaco, tabaco. Tabaco, tabaco. Ang sana rawa, rawa, rawa koyaw. Rawa koyaw. Rawa koyaw. Ang sana rawa, rawa, rawa koyaw. Ilu mateni karap. Yang guna, yang guna. Yang guna.
All right, everybody. I would like to introduce some lovely ladies here from Salem, Oregon, and Corvallis. Would like to open this up with their lovely singing, our Marshallese women. Thank you. It's been drawn. All right, thank you so much, Kumotara, to all of you guys, everybody. Don't forget to give them a big hug and a kiss at the end. All right, let's go ahead and start our town hall and really talking about these issues. We do have our CBOs here, so we're going to introduce those CBOs, kind of talk about how they have been helping our Marshallese people and other Micronesian people as well. And also, please let us know if you do need a translator. Anybody need a translator? If I'm speaking English, if you need somebody to help, please let us know. Any of our people here, we're here to help. I would like to first introduce one of our CBO leaders here, Jackie Leong. Jackie, would you like to start? I know we are supposed to start on time. We are practicing. We've gotten better over the years. So I would like to start you off. I know you need to go, but what you have done for our community has been so important, and it needs to be said. Everybody needs to know, and maybe we can tell all of our family members what you all do for our community here in the state of Oregon. Thank you, Jackie.
Okay, just making sure. Yokwei! Or Ranalim. So my name is Jackie Leong. I am the Executive Director of the Micronesian Islander Community. I am also a Salem City Councilor here for Salem in Ward 4, so farther south, southeast Salem. So if any of you live here in Salem and you have any concerns, whether it's about your neighbors, about where you live, about your sidewalks, reach out to me and I'm happy to help you. You all might have gotten a little blue folder. That's some information about who we are and a little bit more about our organization. I have a really cute PowerPoint. Not going to go over everything, but you could go to the next slide. Next slide. So that's a little bit about who I am in general. My partner right there with the hat backwards, that's Dexter. Now he's put it forward. I have 4 kids, a 13-year-old, my 7-year-old, my 5-year-old, and a 3-year-old. And I also have a 10-year-old niece who stays with me. So a total of actually 5 kids. That's how we roll, right, when it comes to family. I am a graduate from Willamette University College of Law, so I have a degree in law. I am not a practicing attorney, so don't ask me legal questions. I legally can't answer those, but I hope to be soon. I'm finishing up my PhD in public health from the Oregon State University, and my background in general is healthcare access and utilization. And I'm actually working on my dissertation right now, which is focusing on prenatal care for Micronesian communities. Next slide. So a little bit about MIC. We're a 501(c) nonprofit that provides a lot of service throughout the state, not only here in Oregon, but we provide services back home on our islands, in the Marshall Islands, especially in Marshall Islands and Chuuk, in different areas, and CNMI, as well as in Guam. And we've pretty much we started in 2012. We started off as a 100% all-volunteer organization. We now have a total of 9 staff, as well as an active working board of about 6 members. You could skip the next slide. I was going to ask us all to do an activity, which good, we skipped that one, yay. All right, no, the one before. So this is again a little bit more information about us, but you could go to the next one. So this is us in action, and so that's me along with one of my community health workers, Kapiolani Mickey from the Chuukese community. We were at a vaccine clinic and food box distribution event. And so some things to know about the services we offer include service navigation for community health workers in both domestic violence presentations, diabetes, prenatal health care, the importance of it, as well as prevention, doula services for people who are pregnant and needing extra support. We also provide supplies including masks, hand sanitizer, a lot of different COVID things, but we also provide food boxes and hot foods as well. We also have done grocery delivery. Instacart or Safeway usually does the deliveries for us. And we also have cultural food boxes as well. and just COVID wraparound services. Next slide. So a few other important things to know about us is that we provide a lot of access to COVID-19 vaccines. And we also do OHP, so that's Oregon's health plan, the Medicaid program here in Oregon that we help enroll anybody from our community into. So if any of you have questions about your Oregon health plan / OHP, feel free to connect with me and we could make sure that you are covered, or if you're not sure if you're covered, to make sure you get covered. Unfortunately, it means we can't help other people in other states, but we could get you connected to potentially people who can. Because as a community partner or sister, legally, we're only allowed to help people who live here in Oregon, but other regions, we could at least get you connected to somebody who would hopefully be able to give you the help that you need. And we also used to be involved with the COFA Premium Assistance Program. That program used to exist here in Oregon before Medicaid became eligible for everybody who was a COFA citizen. And now we're helping to disenroll people from that program, since if you have OHP, you can't be on the COFA program. Because OHP is better. Next. So other things that MIC has done includes leadership building. This was actually one of our graduates from a program, this was pre-COVID, about how many years ago now? 4 years ago. We had a wonderful group of ladies, including Maria right here, who was part of the group. And we have a few other folks who were dancing and singing who are also part of the group too, who in the course of, I think about 7 months, did a round of leadership training that was specifically geared towards women in leadership. And we talked a lot about health issues as well as concerns within the community. And when the guest speaker we have here, in the beginning, when she first joined us, she was very shy, very quiet, always covering her mouth like this. How many of you do that? I mean, I sometimes still do. And then here we have her presenting, standing at a podium in front of an audience, speaking loud, being proud about it, feeling confident about herself. Next slide. So other things, like I was mentioning, we've done advocacy and leadership, focusing on testifying. So if folks want to prepare to testify either at the city, local level, or federal level, or even at the state level, we provide support either virtual and or in person for you to provide written testimony or oral testimony. We also help you speak on behalf to your healthcare provider if you need support in another language or services. We've also had people come as guest speakers or panelists and also posting on our social media. Next. I want to show you a really brief video. I don't know if you're able to click on it, if it'll work, but there's a certain time frame to go on there, I think a few minutes in. It's going to probably take too long. A little bit more. Oh, you think you went too fast? It's the first speaker after the mayor stops talking. So pretty much what this was a child-friendly initiative, and we had 3 Chukis. There we go, Kapiolani, who spoke. Does it work? Probably not, huh? Oh, well. All right, oh, well, the sound doesn't work, but this is an example of one of our community leaders who went and spoke before City Council testifying to support a child-friendly city for Salem. And after she spoke, 2 of her kids spoke as well. And her kids, they were 13 and 10 years old, I believe. I'll share the link later with the exact time so y'all can watch it on your own. But this is an example of what how powerful your voice is. Next slide. It's okay. So other advocacy and action, we went to Washington, D.C. 3 of us, so what you see in that picture is my little one when he was a little tiny one, as well as my oldest, and Cappy. And then we were also with the group. Some of you all recognize some of the people in that picture. We were in the room with the other folks talking about COFA Medicaid that we now have. Next. And we also went to Japan. Well, Cappy did. But she did a lot of work in Japan as well, working with our partners out there in Japan. Next up. Services we provided, we've done partnerships. So we have picture here at the Vision Clinic that we've offered. We continue to offer. Our next Vision Clinic is actually going to be this September in La Grande. So we're going to be traveling to Eastern Oregon. We've also provided dental clinics in the past, but now with OHP Medicaid, you all have dental. So we're cutting back on the dental piece and still focusing on the vision, since vision is limited for members of our community. We also have provided additional support and other things, including access to your I-94. So that's available online for at least if you've traveled here in the past 5 years, but then if you've traveled beyond that or you lost it, we actually have some funds available to help people pay for their I-94s. We have certain rules that we have to follow though, so I'm not going to share that right here. But if you are missing your I-94 because you lost it, or it was destroyed, or it got deleted online, contact us and we could help you get it, at least apply for it. We know it's expensive. It's about $444. That's just for trying to apply for a replacement. Next up. Some pictures of Maria. So some important activities we do and continue to do. We have our annual Micronesian Islander Community Celebration Day, and that's coming up in September. We've had now for the past 3 years a back-to-school event and resource fair. Last year we handed out, I think, a little, about, how many backpacks? I think 80 backpacks last year, but the year before it was over 100 plus. And so this upcoming year we're going to have 300 backpacks because we found out 80 wasn't enough. So that's our goal for this year. We also have community health worker trainings. The picture on the bottom right there, that is actually our group of 18 individuals, of which 6 who are Micronesian, who completed a community health worker training, and at least half of them became certified community health workers. And of the Micronesian CHWs, we've hired 3 of them to join us. We also provide peer support, and for anybody who wants to be a healthcare interpreter, we help pay for that training as well. We can't offer the training because we don't have that ability, but we do pay for the training. But the CHW training, we provide that in-house for free, other than your time. Next. Some other things that we've done a violence prevention and conversation, so we continue to do that. This was actually one of our very first ones we've done. Again, you can recognize quite a few people in there. Some who are here and some who are back home on the islands. Next up. This is one for both our vaccine event, food boxes, as well as food distribution. Some of the food boxes, they come from Oregon Health Authority. Otherwise, we also provide cultural specific foods. We provided frozen fish, we provided Saba bananas, and our next one is actually next Saturday at Chemeketa Community College, so if any of you need shopping style, that's what we have next Saturday from 11 to 2, as well as COVID-19 vaccines. We also do notary services, so if anybody needs to get things notarized, we do that for free. Unless you're doing it online, which we also offer, then there's a $10 charge only because it costs us $10 to use the system to notarize your documents. And we actually done outreach to La Grande. Here we had a bunch of our youth from Eastern Oregon University, and we distributed a ton of toilet tissue. This was in the middle of COVID when toilet tissue was the most popular item. And even back home on the islands, back in RMI, we did some food and we did some resources. It's from one of our smaller islands that we provided a ton of food for. We don't have a picture of it, but we provided, for one of the schools that had no school supplies, we provided them with projectors, with laptops, as well as school materials that the teachers needed for the classroom. And I want to end it, and this is how I always like to end my talks, a little bit long-winded. So this is a respected Chuukese leader who made a big difference for me when I first came out here. This is Wright Sunnis. He was a preacher, he was a grandfather, he was a father, and he was one of the first MIC leaders. And he used to tell me a long time ago, ekis mi ekis. Little by little. Little by little. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jackie. I would like to ask any of you if you have any questions for Jackie. that you can do that now. Also, her folders, can I see that really quick? Please, if you do not have one, please grab one on your way out. Thank you so much. Any questions? All right. Next up, we have Maria. And Maria, we would like, the doctor to know what we are doing in the state of Oregon. So would you kindly like to speak a little bit about how you're serving our people and all the good things that come about it? Stand up, or you can sit down. You got it.
I will stand up. Thank you, Jackie. Yahweh. Yadayin Maria naman. Okay. These two ladies are torturing me. I always tell everybody they're torturing me. And that one over there. Don, can you stand up? That's my boss, Don, one of the public health worker, public health nurse, program manager. Manajangan TV programan Marion County, Kamarochan Marion County, yung kianam Jesper, rar kachadabayin den kwalok tajarbalwa maroilo, Marion County, Polka Marion County. Ngay ni chat chao tongan tagadoy wen chala tago komroj pojana company komroj charbali pen TV program yo yung eboyan nang ki komroar chenaga yardam joini tanam team in TV olo Marion County elwon lap one man lak yung ngay ganan kwalabo chirikan charbaleo komroj ngay charbalipen karay kami ngay work Cajun TV red walang dakalo system ayo nga komroj nga red walang dak Cajun system ayo an oliben lalin komroj pikapi Cajun hanchin yung chenaga yar tam charbalipen olip cage rar kilip yung ngay ginanot rajang olibin ngay rajang kararin mata nana kana yawatami yung experience kana lawan household ko ami kung merong impact community ami kanage nana ke rakang jincheji yung nan mayamot konik ko talaga ngalal enet tabarak olip charbal yung charbal ngay public health worker mini jayawayan yung Jackie paid for all of my training just to let you guys know MIC Oregon chuano men ar walang rakage ar pam yar kada kage memeje pangain menchene Jackie are ilungar laban in Pagalo Moria as a public health worker. Kayar dalim charabalipin Marion County Rarba Quar Peria. Ngay white, Pujin Ngaylo Oregonin. Ngay Melele ngay Kananagan, Aramijin Maja. Aramijin Maja Ragun Bright. Echep Kajang Oda Paralantar. Pujin Islander red. Olive nga chije de per nana kana ero jo dala goda ngai ba ko jita jito kum chara padipta yem keme me jo kolak in pai di to gara me jo rencar padipta magai ko promote the lo more yem Jack yikanan kamolo Living Island MIC OMCA kanage yar chegi chibi je yaga elibun ya karpala le minuto e bachong wala le minute yar pangane ba elibun ngai ngakwalo kachi nganarami yung Ay charabalo ko charabalo ako pen Marion County ngai public health worker. I charabalo TV program arja pen TV program ayala karadal yemalap ke jugo yega yar kanan di lautak. Yung kamolo li road kan kajang kan meuraya komol komyang mol pangyar jab kom im kachito kwami ipen ron wami alata da kararin mata iban garchu da gjem kanan yem olivien ngai ido pen non profit rin yar tije chu da perumpa push it ano da ergar puji ngai puji yer kanage ngai chep ko mara me jage company gar company me ngai in company yem Jinun tata founder ewayo Jackie Leong alo ngajen choi lau tata inam wi yar dom ipen ron ipen Casper inam komorar barchara bali pen ron yem kiye ngai chara bali pen tan Marion County yem iganan kamolo le ro jagan nor kan gang ko jiligat ani jelo mo na am ko dage enin magele le ngakoi yem alada ta magmenin poe olivien ngai kanan ngan aramit imba echep nana tigri cholok pertagata echep nana tigri akolag deget ani mogadage in magele le ngakoi orang tigri orang certificate thank you Jackie kamol Casper kan olive training garage walang tagilo organization gayer Alaban mentor ngan John Moran armijum ebogot koy yim chaywid elangalak community health worker ilo Marion County yim state of Warchat. Is it 15 minutes yet?
Maria, you are an inspiration to all of us, especially for all of us who can be shy or not really being able to speak in front of our friends and family. You did really well. Thank you. And thank you, Komodara, for serving our community and bringing education about TB and the importance for that, and recognizing all the other people here, the CBOs that are really working hard. But more importantly, thank you for all your work and being the inspiration that you are. Como. Thanks. All right, one more applause for Maria. So, is there any questions so far about TB? I do have 5 other microphones, so if anybody wants to ask, please do. And then we also have Maria's boss. Your boss is here. What's her name again? Dawn. Dawn is here if anybody has questions afterwards for Marion County. And thank you for being here, Dawn. All right. Dr. Ricklin, we have just a couple more people who want to speak, and we want you to know what we're doing here on the West Coast. So I am going to allow Wilson Jimna next, and then Mr. Gasper, if you don't mind, after Wilson. And would you like to stand up, or would you like to just sit? It's all up to you. Okay.
My name is Wilson Jimna, and I'm the president for Washington Marshallese community. Init mga kamolo laolip, kamolo kianam kamolo MIC, kaya olip lojin kaya Dr. Regular, I'm president OMCA. Emman kamolo luro jigan yeni wachoni yeno me chamarong pido kupenronam, pokotok ta kujisioni lo chukujugun berwarem, merong bar polong anirem cibangaron. Payano dar chala kecedi yene ke, emarong limited information ngan kecil. Kamolo lo tak de beri perem cibang kecil wa wirin. Ijoilo Seattle, ijalage komo melelege, eno de giela ngaram jero jitongane. Eno de bayan lang lokia population ko ye. Emalaga lang population ko ye, eno de lang chat kain nangan mi ko meragal ke mi ko posioni. Enot para enot nangan mi jorol gun Allah bibulisem. Esai plat tangal par TV meninti mi rugur bar lab iso. Kiam janchino pakai tenjer kanan county kanak stay there where we namu charbali penronim chibangaron. Para enot cancer. Pailo siada lelangia churongororirik arra bar pagnangan ni misgain. Bisa mengkia chino tabar cancer society kanan charbali pengaron chibangaron. Where we nam pokotok minagain ngan chukujugun perewamak chibangaron me raiguji chibangain. Kaya lukun mo lagi elang chedian ngai kijonan translate ke ngan chedian renangan misgain al batata ngai balang tertangalam kain ngai. Chedian kai nudela kijong lale ke chekijong per malak to chesakap lolok tagadagan. Menugo ko yung rajabar kachidak. Why late? Why wait? Kamole li rojo boy mergalo yo ino de jeno ya malak. Leri ko rojo racharbali lo county agalang racharbali nan private ko nan chibang kandi minagit. Ela ban elang kia wa wen ko rebel. Elang chedi ene ke eno da ba eno ko yala kitong wanchi ko ana elang chedi ene ke eno ila kijong dalam translate minagit ke chala ludak chuga ke eno chala war ke ne that's the only sugar aga elang kain fomun chuga ko rejitok. Emeno go ge ne lugun kamolo le bat tagdi ne beri peremi jala ene chibang kejuch ilar bolongan chugujugun perwaram ela batata kejur majal ban nangan mi jogo relugun tabar kejeyegain chejirriwot ak chabak nangan mi jegain ijala ke ene balle do chat mele le go ngan kejujem kamolo bole ber per ches kamolo lani jegan tagdirin kan ke permenin le do jananich chay go jbal lori kiam tagdo go rejili do ngan kech pachon meni la balale meno ilgun awro ngan kejin pache diene ke tagda ra ra ba kaino imitama nga cheni lori menegin cheni je parain wada ya jmeur eling chedien che kaina kadarai chirigam cholo kini ke ara gun awro ngan kech kacho ago meni not parchonalen kamolo lal thank you MSC thank you MC ala bata komol tagda regilam komo jaawle ijala ge penro na ke kajono jeni pog information again chaga chebulio ngan kajo lo chugugun perko chibang kajo kacho la bata kajur majale me chejon nangan mi jege ego meni no tani jen kajaraman ko much kacho.
Thank you, Wilson. Are there any questions before we move on? All right, thank you so much. Come on. Yes. Oh. All right. All right. Now we have Jesse Gasper from OMCA. I'm not sure. Yeah, come over.
Cholaga ber ngai jaja ngan ki ligdiya dan table there. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Can I move over there? Is that okay? Sorry about that. What happened to the wireless mics, Kiana? He's like, I have 5 wireless mics, but we're not going to give you one, Jesse. Well, thank you, MC, Master of Ceremony, Kiana, at Living Islands. Good evening, Olive. Good evening. My name is Jess Gasper. I'm going to try to speak English and Marshallese, try to be inclusive to all of our guests. I use his his pronouns. I am the president of Oregon Marshallese Community Association. Nge kwar chaji, ke ngaj president ng OMCA ko manong role. Kaya ngaj bello Oregon, okay? Yung ko jaja ora namin ubijalo OMCA. I don't know what to say to you. Turn to your neighbor and say Yakwe. Turn to your other neighbor, the other one that needs to take a shower, and say Yakwe. I want to acknowledge and give thanks to Living Islands for hosting a great event, giving us time to speak on this platform, to talk about our community in terms of our health, and for bringing Dr. Ricklin over here. This is a great event that we're putting together. But first, I'd like to give thanks to my Heavenly Father, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, for tonight. He's the reason why we are here. He's the reason for everything. I'd like to recognize our chiefs. I'd like to recognize our pastors. I'd like to recognize our elders. I'd like to recognize those who are here. Tune in all across the world. Live stream. Special acknowledgement and Dr. Shelton Ricklin and Linda Ricklin. For making it all the way to our beautiful green state, right? It's green over here, right? You don't smell no chicken out here, do you? Dr. Ricklin is a pioneer, our trailblazer. In Oregon. He's a trailblazer when it comes to Marshallese health advocacy. And we can't thank him enough for all the work that he does for our people. I think a couple of months ago, he was just awarded a prestigious award for all the work that he does. So I can't thank him enough. Let's just give him a round of applause for all the work that he does. I also want to recognize a woman that wears so many hats, chairs many organizations, including our newly established National Marshallese Community Coalition, my OC, Kalani Silk. Can you stand up, Kalani Silk? Kalani runs the nonprofit out there in Orange County, California. President Cassidy from Utah, he's also here with us. President Cassidy. And President Wilson from YMCA. I said his name. And when he introduced me, he said, President OMCA. I want to also recognize Don and Maria from Marion County Public Health. Let's give them a round of applause for the work that they do. And Jackie from MIC. You guys don't know, Jackie is like, somebody that I call when I'm in tough situations, tough spots, and I need advice. I always call her. I even ask her for legal advice, which she said today that she does not give any. But she's just amazing. Let's give her a round of applause for what she does. Thank you for being here. I don't have a long speech. Jesper told me to come and welcome everybody and leave. That's what he told me. But we do want to give our warmest Yahweh, and before I hand it back to our organizers, I just want to speak a little bit about our organization, OMCA, in the community that we preside. The community probably since the 1980s. And the first Marshallese migrated here for schools, can educate rather than kapyok chalalagjan. Schools like Western Oregon University, University of Oregon, PSU. In fact, our last president, Hilda Heine, at Chugulo University of Oregon. She attended the University of Oregon. She is an Oregon Duck. Yeah, so ngokolo Hilda jakan ako niba quack quack. That's right. OMCA's mission is to assist. Mission on OMCA But in Chibang Armijin Majo, mission Marshallese citizens and their descendants, him ajuriran Niger, Romer Chokwe, Oregon, in terms of education, social services, him Chokon Mur. While preserving Cholabore, Edgemur, him Chokon Mur. While preserving our culture, beliefs, and way of life. Him Parainwat Pachin, Rebji Manadwar Tamakwar, him Wawinar Mur. That is OMCA mission. In Lotarin, we have a few programs. Our board has just approved $25,000 to assist community with past due bills. Past due bills, shut-off notice, eviction notice. All of them pilgana me kwai wichibanga ga chojum kanda ga kemilo obedient. Jenigune mononon jibangwe. We still have funds on COVID-19. On COVID-19. The only change is the 5-day quarantine protocol. Kamaya lore 5-day quarantine. Then isolation and quarantine. So rent, utilities, jojum chapoto loan. Ngewaram loan jagana jojum chapoto. Kamimban kalagi. We also have an education program. Yome a Cherawali Pen Oregon Promise. Okay, education program. So ngayawar kain kana me rajikaptan karro jalagen high school im ramana in school. Oregon Promise im OMCA in Chibangwe enroll ajiri ran in Nijim Barandan school for free. Echalawan in school. And in fact, ngay ragana in school im reido human telinan OMCA chamarong ba ligdi berran bar kallai. Randan school im kallai. Doctor, how do you feel about that? Huh? When did they pay you to go to school? Oh my goodness. Yeah, so lo Oregon not ajuriyo ni jim yaganan advanced moranan yaganan because better education. Chojim kuruto all of them rejarbar lo obedient. Julie Sylvia army rain lo obedient but eren rajala kalen kamani im enroll ajuri ran ni jim all of them scholarship benagin made kaje jadan matan program ke narang lo OMCA. Okay? And like I said prior, I don't have a long speech. Dr. Ricklin, but I did want to come and thank the doctor and his lovely wife and Living Islands and MIC. Especially here in Oregon. And we have nothing but many blessings to you guys, and we'll be praying for you guys and everything that you guys do. Thank you guys so much.
Come on, Jesse. All right. Let's go ahead and get this started. Any other questions for Jesse? All right. I have Merle Capelle, who is going to be very kind last minute. I am still practicing my Marshallese. So she is going to kindly so introduce my lovely friend and a wonderful, honorable man, Dr. Ricken. Thank you.
Ya ko alep morada kamole lanich keninin. Cholaga lang in kind of nervous way. Last minute, Kiana was asking me if I can introduce the doctor. Okay. Iba chuan tagda in Maya yo alap kilaim kaudo kan charabalinan and we chuan tagda. Dr. Sheldon Ruglang, MD, and I peri lo chujuin perin and integrated loy. And I can know a cardigan cage which can nang imagine COVID-19. Why when I wrote Marong Poverage and nang imagine, but I know nang imagine go chat. Oh, shoot. Regulate Murginar. Quilawin are Marong Pug Chicken. Chanchuan Koba Marong Koan Rolul again. I am ICAC Micronesian Community Organization Marshallese Community Association in Living Islands. Quilawin and I Pug Chicken Ilo Hotel in the Grand Hotel, Ilo Salem, Oregon. Dr. Rigilang ay chuan tagda in Pamela, chuan ay kadagin kan Ejamur. Ilo warin pelakain ilo Micronesia, ambaray no ichuan takado ina Amerika ipen rumayal. Iyo ya lada gumrim rutolagi. Takado Dr. Rigling ay chugujugu mamanak imcharabal ilo Northwest Arkansas. Echonian rain ro. Yemayair chugulim kairo yalak chen chugulin takado. Ko ilo Amerika gin. Dr. Rigling elap kilayim kaudeye ilo kono no yugichen kawada ko anang ni mijin COVID-19. Wawin ko je the regula da ejimori mauro ginar kajarabale chugujugun perge naroj. Komol Dr. Rigling imina yeleo yini nganiok. Welcome to Salem, Oregon.
Komol Merle.
Ya ko inju ta olep. Wada dair ikanan kamolo liro chemero jilang kan meuron meja meur. Kamolo lewe ngecha we chep kech. Kile mana teo yiro jero le ro jero. Kile rutto reinjin. Pe yem komuj kachu jo ro merar ko badok. Eche piruro ko bailo chodenen palaire. Kalau tata ngan me tong rong jaga cibi jembar. Ngan pare we calak coran. Akai alaba nabar yang kamolol Living Islands, kamolol Angelo family. Kena air kar margun kertok kamaron pajar to ku pemi. Alaba are manana. Nikun mol kamaro pirike da lo pamale kamaro aga yala pami kau de jikem kimala pamro kamulul kumut kamulul kianam yes perum pamale nar jenenge jari dok ke cipongan kin ngin ke jangan poe bana to pendron aga ilgone mannan ko ancar kin yala ba kanan claim kamulul cibi jugo raron mal Don, you're very blessed with Maria. Yang mana ko an irong jangan kan an charbal ipenar majarinar elgun jitan ba. One of the words she said was, words are sharper than the knife. Jangan ba nan ko ar yakang la ko jan bakabak piruru charbal ipenar maj era batang ko talangan mo moir. Kalau tatang ko talangan cukup berak ko air aga kabi cukup ko air pahijan men ke that's their safety area yem kolak dan bolak terbal ko ham rajaran kalim jogong bat ko tanta aga enrin ba kajangan on malok kejo jay ko jen terbali pendron pelang armet terbali per aga elang armet recumai yang mana ko meja ko jong puro meja kaki pe jeje loye ke jeje kacung cibang kec pandemic ini oleh ben menegen me kajang ji on ran ngene eru kon kali kar jon men kec mage cemarong lale kec mage jeje lagi kec nganar kam mani cara balago mo ko takko lo mo ko mer kene je meur kena ngane mit jai wujar dongan kejmage. Yeme menjaga laba kanan klaim kamolo rolu lagin. Me rich pello Washington, rich pello Oregon, rich pello Utah, rich pello California, rome pello Arkansas, rome lo par awayam jaga wajat. Rolu lugo ke me rich kona ke kech. Rolu lugo ke me rich kunci bang kech. Yeme no da mi ron jaga tago me Jackie jabar kena lagi kena MIC. Ini me rajukun pugut kelen pejen wan malu kum jen ejemur. Jangan raj kanta ke kum raj kanta rai kucipang. Nganar marungun cerbale no dan Maria ba jangan kaya cino ngan kia ye gila kesin TV ko. Jab tama kaya marungar gila ilo raini ngen negara Jepper. Imal barbar kamolo lo ba balang rain me rachar ballo elang yan rolul kuar rolul ne jamur echa para no para Arkansas ena Cajun TV kan lo para Arkansas unna na bar tabarak pen bar chokono chone bar malok rachar balen majar rachar ballo rayana ne jamur unina na aram jaran matar ndugurum rach pello Arkansas ena jamur rainin Ricara balen majar, lo rolu laganan ramajal, ekam, ayam manam, community cleanagam. Ilo UMS is jan mengai cerbale. UMS is chudakan University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences. Imi jo ena mengai cerbalangane. Yorgia ege bak chilungul ricara balen majal. Kena rajala ege ngecap kech, ya panwar tabarak. Yang menjadi cerbalin majar ini arah merala kamani cerbalakan air, ikician tanggal, ikician aiplat, ikician COVID, ikician all of it menakin menjadi pikut kalian etaparak. Jangan lagi universiti lukun lagi kalau mereka kia program kan. Yang lagi ajar lo itu all of it Arkansas, yang kalau kia kan Oklahoma. Eja talangan Washington, emo tu kia na barengan pigala na wai alangin law. Ini memang meur kareri lo majal. Ini memang lukun, kalau bal lukun utai perwar, pelukun yang na eme kejujuj pikut kelenar lale kejmagi. Yang memang ko eme kejujuj kujun pikut kelenam ipenron perwacuan. Yang ini me organization kan ini mereka nak raj kamane. Yang cakap jen pikut kalian. Yang melukun cara mana organization kan yang menangani raj kamane. Elbar pelagagi. Okay. Yang menotan cesi ba green organ jen Arkansas. Yang mereka puin Paulo organ. Agak elukun ayah buju Cina colok kacir. Agak bar leng cara balakan me kejuut cala kaya barong on malok pamale ko warga gi imelang pe ba go roj roj na batak roj ba woni na roj ramajal ramai kroni ja yamma ke china ilango yor chilu bunago chukul charabal impe ko dai jemur wone ban yamma ke china ilango war ngai chechep ko menagana okay yang na me unit cala gitu ngan cek incit pikut kalian yang orang kia ya lah kena dengan program na orang me kocap kalat tuh jena red kalah wana na petan cugul warar ya negar ngah esyalokar yang majalah bar kamolo lo elang kain program kain yang mana na bayi marong ballo rain mata me roto kajan California miutam cokocet ini mari Kau jalan mana kagai kecian COVID, yang kena dengan meja kocet, yang mengenai kena dengan kecian COVID, ecap kena capa pada, ikan anak baik kejujuran malai. COVID ke, ngau kena jadi kul mana kagai, digelap, ecap ciru rei COVID-19 cara jalur tiga bantu 2019 lo China kan, ini nampak tongan cekin March, rongol. Echala ko yana kar chala ka takaterain ami takaterain jadi ka parakada ka yan ko me ji tong ancha kana yan Arkansas and Oklahoma Washington am jaga wit kejuju jaja ta chatan kamane pache jaja ka chugulewar klajin chugulewar olive ran ilowar kada ka mlale tayan tanang na mejin elemenan celadar mech one roy celadir yorge uno kan tago cemerong kembali dengan paparai im cecala ke chun kijo me dengan kabeo chun kijo me ya bayan kajor me jaguar me chane kijo chala iche bay ko jenpa pe jangona na kar ikut ko daroj kar ilo me jam kalip men ko cagal lo ilo COVID ini ke cecala ke kejemen aramejan majal aramejan Micronesia Pacific Islanders lang da ke jong case ko iper eta ke elang uno ko kin kajuan nang na medyo ko ar kono wa ka che rong kan nang na medyo covid tentok ngan cegain che lale one runner rate pello kawatata risk factors ngan am covid lakalale nang na medyo ko tangal eye blood warlock kidney war oli ben nang na medyo ramajo kan one ro bar kawatata rome ya ker kuku majali penron lo chelle bichu kajemen kena ke mana diwarin jadi penron ole bi enam pepe na atom kamau jadi pare ken rin colok corel no mana tanayar uninar meur ngan rainin imeji meur mana tanayar jono mana do me majani roj kajaraman kajaga ak cala balale ar majoro merar par correnam nang na beceni me remaja lam remai kroni yaro rome raj by essential workers kajamen catalam cerballo man pau kan cerballo factory kan cerballo health department kan rome koban magai cerbal jen meo yo koman kemi meraba o nganam paparai pero meo mom pokon cepek kijin ya bayar karena ngane mit una nagar balukuna dalam pungu-pungu dan remaja lo Arkansas yan kena lenga ada case in covid kariper yala karitok ya bayar erro dia juga cepar jorut dia ceraman bayar arame jana raini relukun ceraman kia belukun iya talok kia case kana ilo Arkansas baror kana bar state kana jat yang tiap mula yang ini macam orang cuba kum yetang ipenron om kalam jaga macam ron om mangai ipenron payam malam aga oleh pen magat kudu ko merar kamani ken covid lo Arkansas in archino jen kajamen magi jakar magi kelege arama jarowar na jalla bayar nang na macam ni oleh pen rolu lekan oleh pen ruter ranar me ilo Arkansas yang rar kemana cura task force innam carga wajah tu kia raja kapatom ba e warga ta cebarung cebang yang merakar cebang emel bar kamolol agal lukun molo car kelege calogo yang merong balale ke jaga ke jemagi emang ana mejit kamane rainin covid rainin elukun amalok ai change amalok jajala ke ilo Amerika ini elukun amalok Cejarongan Dr. Anthony Fauci parano chunumpai. Iriklok ejawarge pello pandemic phase hilo Amerika. Pada bilo lalin echangan. Kemudian kaya ngelo percicun nambai lo China kan, kembali Europe kan. Kemudian cirik-cirik kotan wallo ngelo nambaga. Cara maneo varian kan emerar walau tokelik. Yala pamenang na mecene ay cebelang rejim mecene. Pada variant itu elik kita me an Omicron laban agar cila tajri ron nijir. Elang ajri rar chaku. Elang ajri rar elang aj pito. Yang menyenane wain ngan kejuj. Ikicien COVID. Ngai kocangan gar wai. Jauh jemuai. Ngai kocen gar booster. Jauh jem booster ngai ejenam booster. Elang nijam ajri emerong wai. Menupayan wai. Ilo am kamane kuch kajabarogai. Ilo am kamane kuch kajabarogayuk. Kuch kajabarog pa malayo im cukup imperyo. Nangan mejin pelen yapan lukun caku jan kejuj. Padab nambago ane nej pelo chon nambago me ibiru ane jige am magat mi penron. Aga jikile ke emarong pelen chonya ane menugo iri jum cakalat. Eno wadar ke jonga dalam pokolok ajri ran nejir peran wai. Ngani ane kaya meratan cukul. Ane pelen berchonya ane wai ko kara iri jum cakalat. Menew ini me jaran kapur me cirik. Cep cirik kaya kapur me. Kena kaya raini ni elang wai ko. Aga cepole ben kecit dalam wai. Kejuja lukun kari kelim mijagam puru mijaga arca ko aram mijaroaram ba yor ke uno cemarong kajar bale bacen popara bacen cinjap pagenang na mijana ya ko kini yor aga cepole berenang ni pag ngai wajar kan soyen ngan wan congok le mengul cimcon pacenot icap kena dengan remaja le kecekena dengan all ben total population en ya jaga le mengul cimcon pacenot ilo calaka ke ailang kuar majal ral tungul cima pacen en population en amjer ge wai kini ge cikene je muro na ji du ta ka me nyane pior dalangan outer island en parwai aramit em cikun kam molol mole or case kel lawan we kore chamalokio aga case gan right border cases melalene chen truwa dengan community right pero de lo quarantine e chen warair community spread do majal eno da parche chuyan lalago eno da merala ga pelel lale bangan chim jol law e chen work case in covid em ke joye ko jun kajabar koron elap ta tanga ko jaje wonran ko pertruyer mo ko pello chelle biju kana jam ko jaje ngararwa kachungan mask ko changan ngar mask ak nga ko chen wae ya dalam wae ngai maya wae ceraman rajang rojet pamle ko ambaran dalam kare la wae ruwa e majnan ko kana yichen covid yichen chedian na ko merar walo ko ke ni yichen ai platam tangalam nangane bijen tangale lu kon lap ipermen e chabelo majalo to par ilo par amerika ke rongolalem longan yang ul pacenen case kanai ipen ramajal Arkansas ke arkamman ekata gi imlale survey gi armajararan chetena me elangan nang le bijen tangal emjar survey gi elang pugi chemar me engul pacen yen armajan rutoro me jar survey gi rutangal melalain ilu bulicin chongol aramit yore men rutangal aga konoma mene obar kapro me kenege elang yang ren me rutangal rajaje ke rutangal uni ner gar chalayan yenen me chetal me kamane akata ke chalakiat chegerum lale reilbuk kenege nang na me jin tangal eno obar nang na jin ai plat elang yen e chalok menen ko jeng jaga yang menona coba pakai yang mana meur yang mana icap tanggal ngai capai plat itu kok jala keluarga cek cap pakai kena yang mana meur jalak ceker ai plat yang naik cukup gulang jalak ceker tanggal yang naik cukup gulang yang muni naik cetian raja nang nama jegen silent killers kena jalak menen konyang jaga kolak lebok kuajaku kita nang na mijin ramano kamanam stroke ko mata takam kadani impilo menaging kem kajoya ko jen pukut kelen bajen kaciangan paparai nang na mijin ro chamaram paparai iluar kaja barok kejer iluar kaja barok nemer iluar maget ket ngelang kar pamalena me uran nang na mijin tangama ai plat ini piru lo kam par tangal mai plat chamala lo konet aga ibru lo kam na jai plachen chone o me e cholok tangalam ai plat lo pamalenan e majala ba kamol ba chot ini e chep kola ai bit e maj mero ko me ke jo marong kamano ko tak chirg yelo magat ket goar elap ta ta jena ga me ji pendron pare go keme me go mancar go kuelokin kejar balai bit colok kola menagen rene cipang cabangan kejo-jo terutto aga nganwan congok ngan ajaran nejerum cibur paranela rutolo ngeremberin rakola lo yen pare rana jeragot kola eja kola kan ki ajaran nejer ki uror pop mangemme mangai vesto cheese bolom cheese curlum menangana me rochabenno rochabe manangana armit kuguen ber ngai kel kuguen nambachuan Emang mereka kan kerja je aku jen wancok dengan ajari ran ni jadi perencam mengai, kadang lo kaya mengai. Pe eno dah apa yakin nganar merungan ejme ulok kerja ni cemarungan lali kerja lagi. Yang mana melungan lali kalau pandemik ni. Pandemik ni yang mana yang lagi emma kejar kain, yang mana meraju jam pukul jam nangan waya kain cara balik dengan cibangaruan. Berapan rebel agak mereka ingin mereka kembali cara balik pen iper raja merungan kembali dengan raja lo kejiper. Ini beruru. Yang macam kamulul kumu jika cucu, kena kami colok kami yang lo cotenin pelairin. Pergi jalan ke cepiruru. Yang perjuangan kamulul Living Islands, kamulul OMCA, Mr. President Jesse Wilson de Tokojan Washington, perkelik kelanim yang mata Tokojan baru yuta. Kumu jika cucu, kena kami kercolok ini nami orang kuat. Alang olah cuan, alang olah kijelo air angker. Ejaga cuan organisation CAL, a National Marshallese Community Coalition. Yang melakukan aman, wancang aku yang melakukan cicit. Okay, mereka juga kacau ni cara balik pendron. Jejala kacau barang company cara balik ko alu stay tu ko aki, cia aku jangan kaya re. I pendron ini juga kajur. Yang macam mana? Kalau ko baik i oleh pendron dulu kan i pendron, ini juga orang malok, ini juga orang malok. Yang iban balen pek, balang iya ni alablok. Agak merana nuak cabarot kain kacida kencabarot kum yang kemarin tu kagak jangan jauh ini. Agak perjuangan kumui kanu jangan mol alabar. Ngajar orang aja gaya oleh pencibi juga, orang aja gaya alabar. Yang mana? Yang udah puru, pergi orang aja gaya kena oleh pen program ini lihat orang arah majerinar. Yang perjuangan jangan kemarok keren, oh cirongan lenta. Yang pamle kamero kambulul kumu jika cucu baca marong balom bejan ronom papa na tu pendro na ka menangan wak cabrot kacit ngai orta cabrot kacit yang tu kerja tahun hall meni ini biar jab kebo cabrot dengan presentation agak yar kena not kalok cirgal lamanak cuno me cerbalangan kum hilo aja meur yang dikun mall mengengai pello Arkansas yang agak cerbalaka raja peridu tak ngana perste itu kocet yang cep pajarakan roja tempat perro kolo pengair bar lale tago cemaron cebangir. Kemudian mereka ini kejuja Jakarta ke pendron malu kaga cepu kutu kelendron iluar kerja pergoron. Perjuangan ane je perut kacuju yang kumkane jenam mula. Imana nuak ceprot kacetak ngai orta ceprot kumkane jenam mul. Malakot. Komo, lepas naman kacita kanam. Kacita kia kecian tanggal. Yor kain kakal koraj lale kecian tanggal. Cuman raj karena nampak A1C. Inam cuman meraj lale kecian congon tanggal yang lupa. A1C tu karun hemoglobin A1C. Okay, yang hemoglobin A1C cuman kakal ko merah kaya aldok ran again. Mejit kajar palingan lale ngai cuman ara mejit tanggal. A1C na average tok tanggal yang 6 yung mencilual ng ko remotolok mo ko aja nam kar kamanite jan. Emo junguni na ne ammanen ken ke elang yen e karangan ta kwar kamanem kwar mangai e wallang wallal tanggal yang 6. Aga A1C na average. Nga A1C na manyana gi chijino point lalem pecen lengalok ko tanggal. Okay. Ngayon siya na memang lalang point cimcuan pecen lengalok, kocap tanggalar, iba koc pre-diabetes. Pre-diabetes melalain kocap tanggal, aku perlu kawat ada nganam tanggal ngan kocap kajabarogan. Cuman, kemarin kontrole Ngayon ko pre-diabetes, ko meron control kan tangal ko. Ngayon ko tangal, ko meron control kan meron ko pembangay. Patapay lang yan, raja bar chino uno ko may kontrak. Yang maja kangan ucangan tangal yang namin kitchen yang wansi na. Ilang aramit, yang udah kan ada kitchen kagalagal kan, rolak cek kagalagal kan air, wansi na air ke, ilang cangol men pecen. Lengan cangol pecen melalui ni ya buku ini itu nawala peran. Lengan cimjon pecen melalui rubuki lengan log itu nawala peran. Yang majalah kong lab, yang majalah yang udah apa, jalak kali kalau log kitchen yang wansi na rabai. Apa napa ngail ko na mana meur. Cep tangal ba ko yang iya alikar. Yang kolak yang ngene ko ta kayo na ikicen man. Paka tangal ngalen celok kacit. Nge jelejan rubukui ko tangal. Celok ngekwar cidelok indam ko jek indam elejen cubku rongol cicino ko tangal. Yang maj kata baro no bel tangal yang nama lalan rubukui pen kantro. Ikicen ewansi pen lalan cimjon pecen. Yang macam kaya dengan arah macam, orang cedar macam cirko tayar tangal, cedar macam relukun rolol tangal. Yang macam lang arah macam ragot padan, agak uno, pelancuan, pelanruo, pelancilu, agak lang arah macam rajuai. Sekarang ni ucapan kontrolan, agak lang arah macam rag padan, emuai. Yang macam kaya, agak colok kecil, ngek kuat tangal. Mereka ko kaya ko jen kamane kan ngeko jala ka ko tangal karere mereka ko ratangal jam mangai mirak chocolate jen kolayan lolen mereka ko cepai ko jen mangai ko tangal mereka ko merong kamane nganan kantor lo tangan neam kariklok mereka me yalap magamagi rai jen pilawen tona jen pan ke jen pidito jalaten okay kariklok en benda macam pengmangan ini melap magamagi, ini muka dah ini mewalok juga. Yang macam ini macam walang lok. Ngay kuat tangal ini jam mana ngay kuat jam mangai lukun pung. Agak ngay jadi keme me kuat jam mangai lukun pung. Yang macam mana kau ini macam apa? Jadi kaciungan kontrol agak elang iya ngay kuat kamani jo kona mengan kontrol, ini kontrol. Jadi colok kacit. Tak tahu yang apa, memang kacau yang lewat jadi membunuh muai, angin kocap pergi, celau tak cair. Yang macam yang iyan, yang orang orang mereka itu orang komplain apa, cian kontrol tangan naik, jika kau ni nak ragu no, ini jangan agak kena yang macam mana orang raja lamanak, cuma orang lelak kuno ini nama jago, agak ngaya macam tanggal ini jangan nama tanggal. Yang melong kain tanggal, ro kain tanggal. Cuan yang reba tanggal type cuan, yang tanggal type ro. Type cuan, ren ajar kena yam. Yang ecap merongan kaman insulin yang me oleh para me jalangan. Ecap cara beli insulin yang an. Melalain ngekuat type cuan, kau aja insulin maulok. Ya ban cara beli paten kan. Ya kan kain ini melangan tanggal type cuan ajari langlok. Ruto, ya kaya kita type ro. Lang tak type ro. Mereka komaron ragu no. Kuno kan mereka jerak. Ya jelewa jangan yang penuh kemana malu log ancer balin selan ya balin kargelok tangan mayam. TV. Meria. Okay, चलो पर अम्मा ताशम तुम कने आन TV, okay? Yang lekun mall TV ke curian nang nang me ala piper, okay? Perkajaman remaja lembar rojet. Agang ngej pekok, ejin nambah cuan, mana orang me ikut ikut. Ngej ala pam pekok me cap cakong am pekok kalau kar bar pekok. Ngej kuat mana orang karu yang lekun pung. Jata kajian ngej kuat pekok mana me lang patak lo pekok yang. Jata kajian kuat air kalau kau kuat cap kacauan kair gerak. Okay, itu yang kakak lego, ikutian TV. Yang mengai lengar menjadi karpa melengah melengan nang nemen TV ada zaman aku percaya. Pelang kain TV, orcuan aktif TV, me kuat kujen rak unongan man kijam. Agai orcuan TV riba latent TV, agai TV ane me kiki. Melalen kijam aja pelawan yang penuh macam ruc. Yang macam kuat capa yang jaga capa rewat. Yang macam kalau yang mantada. ko an kamejuri mane mo ta jan ruch ko ra uno pen chago kijen pen jab rut to gele man tegen
kita có nghe em bây giờ bưng ao lên bên buồn nôn cái này ai biết bây giờ bưng ao lên bia anh ở puluhan
apa na lapan komol tigan man kacita kan tigan e jabang ngem majam garbok vaccine kan em ko fully vaccinated ko ba booster shot ko ko ke pakai ole pi e chen warwak raja kata ko ta ka aga eno da lak lolok raja bar komarong ya karangan nang nam yana be raja lale ke kolak pak vaccine again yo mencucu alang ya par majano logen punnam kolak bak vaccine ge kamanam rutarina ilo en punnam rutarina romer ne chuma gi kijena nge idong anipem ema jang uni nam bak vaccine aga kijang logan chijino men chimjon rali ta kaleng rajlo go rutarina rein e yetalok lo en punnam ema jang ena mere ba kon paken karu mang ma ko ki ko par bak booster bak rajlo ge raj wallal nambayan kolak bak bar booster ra nambar ro bar keleng lok barbak buk ya barwalak barbak booster yang berkaitan dengan lok. Kata meneo yang marong oleh biar kau aku jenis bukai. Agai jen lu kenal ikar. Raja kata kau tekakai. Aman kaci tekam.
Dr. Ricklin, we have another question online from Russell. Doctor, can you talk a little bit about vaccine for babies? How safe is it? Como?
Komol kacita kan vaccine for babies. Lukun moleo ilo train ke nganajari rano me kejong jongorua real ngalok. Patap ijala ke ijrong ilo enna kana ke manyan jonian company kana Moderna ke apply ngan raja by emergency use authorization. Kan jonian bar vaccine kan. Okay, per raja bar telale ya karangan kata kan air raja loya ke emerong cibang ajri roy atala ma ajri cirigro ko ba prime lengan cijino era leng lengalok ilo train e chain approve okay ilo train e chain approve menjer ye lela ko tangan carakan FDA carakan cetakan era kada kaga aga ya karangan kada ko air mandak raja bai eno den is safe ya karangan nambagan e cholokan nang na me jogo me ajri ro rali langane pareng jaga pada raja lo ke emerong ke japaro ko ajri ro jen cilingol lem ngol cima pecene cibang yang malah jane celok okay ajri ro me ilo train e celok air we yang roce merongon we ya ro me re pelok ka wadada per la jab kiye yelo jibala kana air we agri do kilo jana ka me e wor kiturier yang merong kiye pegnangan me jam milo train e chain lukuna alikar agai rakarangana kada ko it looks like it is going to be safe pada e chain ora alikar ngaya tana ene approve pay en merongon ten lelangan ajri chirigro jela lewat pelen lawan wi kana ene bar alikar do komo rasal kan kacit kawam bercaprawat kacit ini namiang Kiana aruya tegat way into kompa panado.
You're welcome. I have a question. In our community, I have got to help a lot of our Marshallese families. As I'm still learning, I've been hearing stories about people who are doing the Marshallese medicine. And in comparison to going to the doctor on certain things, I'm trying to be very supportive for our community and to understand our culture. So how can I and others who are learning in my CBO, how can we be supportive, and how is it that we can, I don't want to say push people into going to see a doctor, and I don't want to tell people how they should live their lives, but I do want to make sure people live longer, and I'm understanding that there are lots of organic and wonderful things, and I'm blessed to be part of the Marshallese community, and I got to go back home and understand Marshallese medicine. But what is it? How can I train my volunteers and my people? This is the Marshallese way. We don't push, but how can we connect and be supportive in a respectful way? How can I teach some of the Westerners this?
That's a loaded question. But, it's not easy. It definitely is not easy because, many of us believe in traditional Marshallese medicine. And many of us believe that that's the only medicine. There are others who just believe in Western medicine. It's just Western medicine. Whatever the Marshallese do doesn't work. And there's the mixed, some who believe in both. And, it goes to, it reminds me because, in places like New Zealand and Australia, they practice both. And they practice both in the clinics and in the hospitals. So they recognize that there is traditional medicine, and they actually have healers who come in as part of the health team, something that we all could learn from. What I try to remind myself, because I believe that Marshallese medicine also works, but I think the situation is different nowadays than it was then. I think in the past, especially when there was no other medicines, it was just traditional Marshallese medicine, we also didn't have to deal with all these chronic conditions. I think the chronic conditions that we have nowadays are newer to us than what it was. You look at the pictures of Marshallese and Pacific Islanders before Westernization or before nuclear weapons testing program, bronze skin, barely any fat that you see on them. They were all nice and healthy, right? But many of the things that we used then in terms of traditional medicine worked. I think they also work nowadays, but the difficulty for people in Western medicine to institute those or recognize those, because for us doctors or those who have MDs and those kind of things, we always have to depend on a study that shows that it works for me to prescribe it, right? Because as a Western trained medical physician, that's what I can depend on, because I know, because there are studies that prove that medicine works. So when I prescribe you the medicine for the diabetes, for the high blood pressure, for the cholesterol, I have data behind that shows that works. Not too much data when it comes with Marshallese medicine at this point. A lot of pueblenado, a lot of, stories from the past that we depend on, but that's our culture, right? Our culture is passed down through Kamau, through pueblenado, through the legends and all those things. So it's a balancing act. So I think as long as if you practice in the U.S., as long as you recognize that we have traditional medicines, that you also have to respect that part. Don't, okay? But work with the family, work with the patient, say, that's fine, you can do that if you think it's fine, okay? But you should also not delay it. I do not know if there is any Marshallese medicine for diabetes in the old days. So I can depend on my diabetes medicines that I give them, okay? But there's all the pueblenados that always comes and the stories from beyond that as far as what medicines work or not. But as long as we respect each other's culture, we can work around it and learn from our friends from New Zealand and Australia and how do you work together.
We have another question. Ms. Kalani.
Not so much a question, but to add to Doctor's event statement, okay? We have to remember that health disparities were brought on from colonization of our islands. So the herbal life or the herbal way of living was a way to sustain health and to promote healthy living within the islands without the health disparities that were brought on by colonization, that were brought on from, you know, all of the different diseases that came off the boats, that were brought on from the nuclear legacy. All of these factors came into play that now we rely on Western medicine. But prior to that, it's important to note that our culture it helped sustain us. There was no need for all of these Western medicine. And we only needed Western medicine when the Western hemisphere came to us. So I think there's a balance of the new world and the new medicine versus our traditions and customs that did not require these Western medicines. At least that's the way I look at it. Thank you.
Excellent point. Definitely. I mean, we needed Western medicine when the Westerners brought the Western diseases, right? Because before that we were all healthy. We didn't need that. But and then of course you add the nuclear weapons testing program, what they did to the islands, radiation. I mean, I think many of us always think about atomic testing and you think of cancers, right? But you really look beyond that, right? It's not just a direct effect of the cancers, however many there are, but you destroy people's culture, right? You vanish an island that's where your family belongs to and gets their goods from. And you tell them, do not go there because it's hot, it's radioactive, so you shouldn't go and grab the healthy traditional Marshallese food. Instead, I'm going to give you something safer, canned foods, right? Chicken in a can, peaches in a can, meat in a can, luncheon meat in a can, everything in a can that comes with preservatives, high in salt, saturated fats. And then you say, see, we'll provide you this. So don't go fishing. Don't go get the taro. Don't go climb the coconut tree. All the activities, the physical activities that traditionally we do that keeps us healthy. Instead, be sedentary and eat all these fatty foods. What happens? Diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, that leads to heart disease. So all these chronic conditions that we deal with today is also from that time period. And it's not just the direct cancer and leukemia, and it's everything that we have to live with today. And that's part of the reason why many of us are angry. Many of us feel like we're not getting things right. That again, we're just being looked down upon because it's our problem. It was never a problem. But all these things that affect you as far as what kind of foods you can eat nowadays, the traditional foods were very healthy, right? But now our Marshallese diet, quote unquote, now is all the canned foods and all the fried foods and all these bad stuff that are bad for us. So good point on that health disparities point, Kalani. Thank you.
Yoko Mr. Rigland.
Yahweh.
Welcome to Oregon.
Komol.
Ngay chorada kaji kabilo kauti jo chorada kaji the kiche uno na riba metformin. Itangan bagai kaya kaya tidak dengan tangan lah. Orang kaya juga kokoran penirum kaya ni ngay coba.
Komol. Kacita kan unconian uno kan tangal kan. Ya bol kain uno kan tangal. Chonia raja metformin. Okay, metformin ada unconi ada naga glucophage. Okay, yang majalah metformin ailang metformin caging. Ini kun bol ngay banyak ngay ngay takut lale aram jero hari kecian tangal. Chonia uno ko me kejar balik. Okay. Metformin, Clipizide, Januvia, menakay ucap tu mereka kejar, ijen lagu nuaya ko, okay? Kerana metformin econian uno ko memang kontrol tangan ni, ama ecap kacu ko tu lagu, cirik lelal tak, yang koban latak lokage kerana ecap magajan udah lok tangan ni, okay? Agar elu ni amma nancar balik, elang yan uno kain, cek kejar balik cecino kan dosen nama kita ada. Cecala kaya ban kontrol tangan na yang baca kata mene me kunya la rol dokter ibin lang jani bar kakak jolok ciri. Jadi an mene kaya me kumarong yang jaga jen metformin malang piruru matak lojem kainigin agak cicu tian. Yang me cepole barang me jerat yang jaga. Agak tono adam rag metformin yang mencuri men rowik kocap yang jaga mene kain. Agai lugu ni amman uno yan. Elap tada ngai cep coren keteni kana yam. Okay? Metformin cep kokorek keteni. Pelang yen ngai rongan ar mejba. Cep raguno na yam. Renana mira ral kepotok. Ah, lemen lo manjara na jaba ngai cep raguno no pe ar ne kokorek keteni kana yam. Pacu jom rongan jaga takata yam. Okay? Metformin cep kokorek keteni. Kaciungan kajabarok keteni kanam ilawan kontrol tangan ya. Okay. Yorchuani yang ngejab kontrol tangan ya. Major relok keteni kanam. Yorchuan nam baca jelale. Unar kejong ikut kudar cekam tangal. Agak kemenang pada tengah kotok. Cek perro wade cebo tangal yang wadaga keteni kanam. Yorchuan nam baca macam tabare. Cek uji kejap kapajarak metformin. Penana na cara balangan kue. Agar metformin ni ban kokorek keteni kana. Tangan ni ene kokorek keteni kana. Aku aja berak metformin tangan ni ene kokorek keteni kana. Yang mana mana jauh orang ni. Alap tata ngak kuat con retangal ni melang ni memuno. Agar cabrot kain nang na macam kujera aku nong. Ene jam mana ngak kuat pero roll aku pentak tu yang wam. Gaya jab kontrol jadi berkakajolok ciri. Yang majau robo jen berro dalam lolau cuan tak kata. Ngai ko jala ko tangala ko jen tak kata. Cujum dalam tak kata. Wake.
Komol sir, ibar orang jaga cara kali.
Komol. Cujum orang jaga pastor ewam jaga. Ini juga ru. War kacidek.
We have another question.
Maniawe kau dah jawab. Kacidek ina kitchen aran TV. Logar cuje ebar lalem rane lo. County and Marion County, but County Gojap. Agar walak cuan alert ngan community na ragay. Kitchen nga rumaja lam ruruk kaya dung nga walang laki jin TV. Lo cukup berinan rumaja. Emoy kacitagi na ito kay nge eno di bapalin uni na anjap control na ang imagine kay ito kay rumaja eno di lalale menin kajogo nger elang ko TV kiyo ko pandalim pagtreatment uno ko ngan paparay kiyo ko kay kaya eno di menin kajogo kay kumarong kay kamilili community kay rumaja lagay etchab na ang imagine yang mana nga ko cibadak cigine me orang pak treatment ko mol
man ko mol kan kacita kayo ngajil yarda malalangan meria akaya man jeng mai etan TV ka ngayon majan meur ilawan pendem kelewat rian apa yang marungun caku kaku jadi kuno mau kocap kuno ya pancaku cakaronta yang majewar uno ko me ko aku jendra ko le pian ela tata ngeje active TV melone meurur me ole pian me arame je me langan TV pen eje emmenono eje kiruru eje perturum kije yana marang yo jangan koe em ko marang aja yang jaga cabrot yo menceco alengam ceco yen ngan jeno me gie menyana gie peripam em maj kola ka 3D TV ni pem ko jaba ligat rocha de lo kawadata ko ligat ro lawan kabi chugune ne wam rome ko tanam cerabali per rome ko tanam cherry per rome ko tanam pari per ila kawadata beren pagnang na binyan TV imole no dan derkan ba elang yen cecok ay cemmenin cok ecemmenin cok ole bien ole benangan me ecemmenin cok per TV arame rej ko jong cok ne gara ba ya ko mon TV yo yang rej per roba mi yang men ko ke me cece ba ko jen kanna na ga ke jo jay ko jen kau de ron en je kamanna na ko me cecela ga jen ka jo chuon pam le ya chuon arame ja ko kele ba elang nang na bi per ngere jap treatment aku itu pertruir ko bak TV yam cego jen cebangaron yam ngayor nang na mi jeni pam yameno da ba nang na mi jeni chuon me ceba e kigi pa meno chuon ba elang yen chala jodo itu ko jan ailang ko e marong lang am leiten TV ko jaji e to mo la perjin che chodien iruch inne me lang am active TV yadage iruch ya kerere pa yo ko ta ailang ke jen ailang ko yang menjadi nyaman ngaku orang menangan dengan TV, elap tata ngaji aktif, eurek, pokun pikut kalian melihat kalau nanen rajang, cap kajo kara menjerum cukup perio agak kabi cukup nane melang TV, rajang eram bayar ni nyaman ngaku dalam pek treatment TV. Kalau Miriam cara kalau Marion County beren itu kaman cara balipem. Pe celok ko tak perlu Arkansas ni celok ko tak eur cicu raja parayan riang ni agak cara mana ba ilang arang remaja ilang long matan miria yang rajidu tak ratalam pokok kara mejaran nomor treatment nomor tarangan makan nomor treatment yang lelawan nanan rajang yaman kaci takinam kemol.
Are there any other questions for our doctor? Anybody have any other comments? And are there any other questions online? Okay, thank you. Tak. All right, I really, really hope that was helpful and inspiring and impactful, and that it's a conversation that we're going to keep in the waves, that it will keep going. I think every one of us here, all of our CBOs, Jackie, Jesse, Merle, Maria. And I just have to say that really, if you can, reach out to those community leaders. If you have any questions about your health or your family's health. We were very blessed to have Linda and her husband, Dr. Rickeren, come out and really give us some advice. So what we wanted to do was kind of just get that discussion started for all of you. And we also wanted to make sure that this weekend, while Dr. Rickeren is here, if you guys need a one-on-one with either the doctor or even with Linda, you guys can actually sign up or just email me or text, and we can really work through his schedule to have that privacy discussion if you want. We're here to make things possible, and we're here to make things supportive for all of you guys. You guys are all my family. I'm very amazed that I'm related to every one of you, but I also love each and every one of your stories, and I too am very impacted by the health concerns, and it's also my responsibility to do what I can to help each and every one of you, because I love you. So, without further ado, if there's nothing else,
Kap mo lololip, charam manangan olip.
big round of applause. Come on. All right, another thing, you guys, behind you and beside you, there is food. I know there's a lot of us who are staying here at the hotel. You are more than welcome to take that food home. Thank you, MIC, for providing that food. Thank you to all of my volunteers who left yesterday to be here to start setting all of this up for you guys, making it possible. I just need to give a quick shout out. I say your name, please stand up so everybody knows. Ruby, please stand up. Thank you for all your work and being here with Living Islands. Even though you're Tongan, we love you. Thank you for being part of our family. We have Gina Quinnett. Thank you for getting the foods to all of the hotel rooms, which Gina will be here to help check in. And also, if you're thirsty or hungry, she will make sure that you have some food in your room. Okay? And also, Crisco, thank you for all your work getting all the chicken. Spencer, all the way from Gig Harbor, Washington, our grant writer. Thank you, Spencer, for wanting to learn about us. Thank you so much. Let's see, I'm going to double check. Ashley and Annika and Tintin, thank you for loving all of your family members of the Marshallese community. Brian, stand up, please. This is our media guy, Brian and Jen. He's here. Thanks for learning about us and listening and supporting. Also, John, you guys have seen him at the MIC events, our sound guy. Aloha, mahalo, thank you, thank you. And to also my husband, Jesper. I need to say thank you to the Viking. Tusen tack, skat. To our guests, if you need anything, please reach out to any of the people you saw standing up. If I missed somebody, Osini, thank you, Osini, if I missed somebody. And Vernon for picking up our lovely Kalani. Thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Komotara. Have a great night. And thank you. Please don't forget to get pictures with the doctor and his lovely wife. Get your phones. Please come take pictures or ask our media guy to come take pictures of everybody wonderful here. Wilson and Jesse and Jackie, come take pictures with them. And Maria.